welcome to the Wellness Project. This video will be a breath awareness practice. So we're going to be exploring the breath. And as you can see, I'm seated in a chair. You could also do this seated on the floor with your back against the wall. So to begin, settle into your body. Settle into wherever you are. You might want to rest your eyes or close your eyes if that feels appropriate and is available to you. Rest your hands, maybe bring some softness to your hands, bring some softness around the eyes. And begin by tuning into where the breath enters the bottom of your nostrils. So that space between your upper lip and the entry of your nostrils. Bring your attention right to that place. Maybe re-soften the hands, re-soften around the eyes or the face, soften the jaw, and tune in now only to how it feels as the air enters your nostrils and exits your nostrils. What do you notice here? Maybe one nostril is a little more open than the other. Do you notice the temperature of the air as it enters your nostrils? And the temperature of the air as it exits your nostrils? Is your breath smooth? Is your breath shallow? We're just noticing. We're just developing a relationship with our breath. Now tune into the area inside your nostrils, about mid-range in your nostrils. And what do you notice here? As you're breathing, with your attention focused to the mid-range of your nostrils, do you notice any sensations around your heart? Can you tune into the breath as it comes to your nostrils, middle of your nostrils, and maybe that area around your heart? As if your heart were breathing. And now lastly, tune into the top of your inhale inside your nostrils, right between your two eyes. Tune into that region right between your eyes at the top of your inhale, as if your eyes were breathing. And what else do you notice about your breath? Is it smooth? Is it shallow? Is it slow? Are there any pauses as you breathe? You're not trying to force anything. You're not trying to change anything. You're just being with your breath, just as it is in this moment, knowing that it will change. Each breath is its own unique process. And if your mind starts to wander, as it usually does, invite your attention to come back to the breath. Notice the next breath. If your jaw starts to tighten, invite your jaw to soften. Invite your face to soften. Invite your hands to soften. And if the eyes were closed, softly now blink them open, coming back into your space, leaving the eyes cast downward just for a moment. Letting go of any sensations, returning you back into present moment. And know that this breath awareness practice is available at any time. Anytime you need a pause, returning back to breath exploration again and again and again. Because as we do this mindfully, we can move through the rest of our day, the rest of our to-do list, the rest of our conversations, whatever it is we have, from a different, more restorative place. So I hope this helps you. Be well.